lover. They have Crayola Play-Doh, Silly Scents dough, so they all smell. There's orange, banana, blueberry, strawberry, green apple, and grape. We've got a new thing to kill germs off your cell phones. I don't know if this really works, but it's $1, so you give it a try. It says it kills germs in seconds. We've got lots of new socks. These are so cute. And then we've got these guys. And then these SC 2-pack socks. These are really nice and super cute. In the sock section, we have more new socks. These are Juncture women's compression socks. It's a 1-pack, size 5 to 9. They come in solid black and then also in this black and green. So if you're a runner or if you have problems with your legs, the compression socks are always great to use. And for $1, you can't beat it. And we've got some cute new hair bows and accessories. There's the cat headband with the pink pearls, the white pearls, and then some scrunchies and some other furry headbands that also have pearls. We've got some new Freeman hair mask, repairing honey and soothing jojoba oil. I'm sure that honey one smells really good. More novelty pens. I've seen these out before. These ones are like not iridescent, but they fade in the color like ombre, so it's different shades of purples and blues and greens. Those are really pretty. They would go good with these notebooks. Give as a little gift for a little kid or an adult that loves stationery like we all do. These are really pretty. We've got lots of new Easter doormats, Easter wishes, Happy Easter. Let's see what else we have. Hoppy Easter, that's cute. And the truck, a turquoise truck, super cute. If you're still looking for the planters, you still have time. I've seen these around a lot, and this store is fully stocked. If you're a gnome fan, Dollar Tree has adorable gnomes. And if you wanted to make these brown, it'd be super easy to use some glass paint and just paint the nose brown. But they come in blue, green, and pink. Super cute. They also have new twine. It's Simply Home cotton twine. It's 180 feet on there. So there's pink, there's green, there's blue, and there's a pretty lavender color. And we've got more trinket trays. Queen Bee, that's really cute. You're awesome. You have a beautiful soul. And bits and baubles. Some more decor signs. These are really nice. They're really sturdy. They have the wood bottom, but this is a tile. So we've got blessed, love blooms here, trust your purpose, faith over fear. And another really cute decor sign. It's got a hanger on it. It's the rainbow, and it says little one. So precious. I think Sophia needs this. More decor. It looks like they got lots of decor in this week. These are crosses. Be brave. I am with you. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. And this other one, the blue one, bless this home. These are really pretty colors. They also got these animal heads in. There's a fox and a panda and a sloth. And more decor signs. Home sweet home. So water weight. I need this one for my garden stuff. But first coffee, and then catch me by the sea. You can take off the writing with rubbing alcohol and then make this anything you want. You can recover it, paint it, whatever. But these are great sturdy pieces to start a base with. More cute decor signs. Sing to him a new song. I am with you always, and God is my refuge and strength. And then we also have these. I didn't pull one out. They're little welcome signs. They're gold, and there's that's what that one looks like. And I don't know if there's any other ones. We've got new Pop-Tarts. Frosted chocolate churro. I don't even remember seeing this in the store, but I'm sure this would be amazing. Let me look at the back here. 400 calories. Woo! But I bet they taste good. They have some new men's body sponges, but these are super rough. I don't know if I'd want to wash with them, but they've got them. We've got new birthday candles. They come in pink and blue. And then this like 3D, these gold ones, these are beautiful. We've got some new baby shower stuff. This is a super cute giraffe for a girl. These are new. The Cascade centerpiece. And then we have these are new. And new cute tags. Hello, baby. They've got a pretty plate display out. These aren't new, but they come out every year. I remember a couple years ago when they got the Rachel Ray line and everybody went nuts for that one. But they're really pretty. Got new phone accessories. They're the same accessories, they're just in different colors. They're all in the pastel ombre colors.
Oh, okay. It was nice and good and fresh. Yeah, and that bag, it was in a bag. Mm-hmm.
They've got super cute Easter headbands. This tie-dye, like rainbow. The pink with the sequin ears, and then the blue with the sequin ears. Super cute. We've got some new decor signs. These are framed. Bless this nest. We've got This Is Us, Home, Very Farmhouse, and Thankful. Yay! Pinwheels are out. That means spring and summer is coming. These come out every year. I love to use them with my Easter gift baskets. This brand is my favorite dishcloth to use from Dollar Tree. They usually come in white like this, but during the spring, for spring cleaning, they bring out colored ones. There's blue and yellow, and they have like a lavender and mint green color also. If you're an Airwick fan, Dollar Tree has Airwick oil refills for the warmers. This is just a single one, so there's no coupon you can use with it, but they come in a bunch of different scents: fresh linen, lavender and chamomile, vanilla and pink papaya. That one's my favorite. So it's a great deal for $1, especially to go with the free warmers we always get with coupons. They've also got some new tablecloths, and this is in the metallic foil tablecloth, so I don't think I've ever seen these, but it comes in purple and turquoise. Looks like there's some new Barbie accessories out for Easter. The dog and this I think is new, is old. The spa set might be new. There's a gymnast and then a lifeguard set.